Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are making sweet potato pie. So let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to start by rolling out my pie dough. I did make it from scratch. I will leave it in the description box down below. Otherwise, just pick yourself up one from the store pre-made. So I peel and dice my sweet potatoes, then I boil them, but you could always just stick yours in the oven. Boiling just works for me. Then once all of my sweet potatoes are fork tender, then I'm going to give them a good mash. I'm not using my blender because it is broken, but I'm just going to simply mash it and we're going to just keep it moving today. After I've mashed all my sweet potatoes, then I add 1 cup of sugar and about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to my mix. And then I'll go ahead and add the rest of my spices. So I'll add a little bit of nutmeg, about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and vanilla. After I add all of my spices, I give it a good mix. Then I add in about a cup of evaporated milk. Now I'm just going to add in my eggs. So I'm going to lightly beat them. Then I'll add them to the mix along with about a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm just going to go in for a final mix, and then I'm going to add it to my pre-baked or my par-baked pie crust, and then it'll go into the oven at about 350 degrees for about 1 hour. While my pie is in the oven baking, then I'll make a little whipped cream to go on top. So I'm just going to take some heavy cream, about a tablespoon of sugar and a little bit of vanilla. And then I'm just going to whip it, and then I'll refrigerate it until it's time to serve the pie. After I remove my pie from the oven, I do allow it to cool down completely before I top it with whipped cream and additional cinnamon. Sweet potato pie is probably one of my favorite fall pies. It's right up there with pecan pie. Those are my 2 faves. What is your favorite fall pie? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!